Welcome to Aspen iMobile Getting Started Now tutorial. In this tutorial, we will show you how to install the Aspen iMobile web application for the first time and get you started on using Aspen iMobile. To get started, we'll first go to the URL https://mobile@aspengrove.net. This URL is located on your email that was provided. At the end of this tutorial, click or type out the URL to begin installing your very own Aspen iMobile web application, which can be accessed through any device's web browser. Now, good tips before installation. Be sure you're in a good area to receive a strong network signal. You will know you are connected to a network or have a strong 3G, 4G or Wi-Fi signal by checking the top of your phone screen. After entering in the URL address, the application will begin to install in your mobile device. This will only take a few seconds. You are now ready to log in. Your Aspen iMobile login screen will have two boxes for you to enter your username, which will be an email address, and your password. For your convenience, both will be included on your registration email for reference. Now, if you've already logged into Aspen iRecord, it will be your regular Aspen iRecord password for logging in. After you've entered in your username and password, click the Login button. Allow your device a few moments to authenticate your username and password. If you have used a temporary password, then you'll be prompted to update this password to a more secure individual password. To do that, just enter in your old password in the first box, then enter in your new chosen password in the next two boxes. For best practices, your new password must meet the password requirements: a minimum of 8 characters, to use at least one number and one letter. Please also use at least one alphanumeric character, and the new password chosen cannot have been used before. Allow your device a few moments to change your password to your new secure password. You will know when you're successful when you see this screen. Click the OK button. You will now be taken to the next screen. Your device will display the Aspen Cloud Terms of Use and Privacy Statement. Read through, and when ready, press Accept to begin using Aspen iMobile. Once authentication is complete, you will land on your home screen. This screen is your dashboard. Now, let's take a moment to visit the 4 main buttons. Let's start with your Help button. Click on your Help button to navigate to Aspen iMobile Frequently Asked Questions. Click on any of the plus signs to drop down the answer to the question. When done using the Help screen, click the Back button to go back to your previous screen. Back on your home page, let's take a look at the Outbox button. The Outbox has 2 options. Your sent items are those work orders which have been successfully transmitted. Your not sent items are those work orders which you have submitted but are waiting to be transmitted when you have internet connection. Now, don't worry, we will cover this section in more detail on our webinar. When done, click the Back button to go back to your previous screen. Back on your home screen, the dashboard, let's take a look at the Open Work Orders button. Open Work Orders allow you to view and access any work order you currently have open but have not yet submitted. If you click on the Open Work Order button and have no work orders currently open, you will receive the message, "No open work orders currently exist." Now it's time to look at the button you'll be using the most, Add Work Order. The Add Work Order button allows you and any crew members that will be joining you on site to sign in and complete the proof of compliance at point of service for a work order. This should only be done when you are physically present at the site. Let's go ahead and click the Add Work Order button and demonstrate how this goes. Your first tab screen is your address tab. You can see on the address tab screen boxes to fill in. The first is your National Vendor Assigned Work Order number. This number will be provided to you through your work provider. The next box is the 5-digit zip code of the property site. Enter in both National Vendor Assigned Work Order number and the 5-digit zip code. When you are happy the information you entered is correct, click the search button. This will retrieve the full property address associated with the work order. Allow your device a few moments to connect and search for the work order. You will view the returned property address associated with the National Vendor Assigned Work Order number and the 5-digit zip code you entered. Once you've confirmed that this is the correct property, click the Sign In button when ready to sign in at the site. You will automatically be brought to the Work Crew tab screen. You will receive a message, your work order has been added successfully. Now the app also captures the time as well as the latitude and longitude of the property you are signed in at. You can also sign in additional crew members. Now don't worry, join our webinar to learn about signing in additional crew members, adding them to favorites and searching. Your final tab is the Survey tab screen. This screen has 11 survey questions for you to complete. Click on the chosen answer for each question before submitting your work order. Now that our work order is complete, let's recap. We located our property in the Address tab screen. We signed in at the property and was brought to our Work Crew tab screen. Completed our survey, and now we're ready to submit the work order. Click the Submit button at the top of the screen when ready. You will receive a pop-up message letting you know your work order was successfully submitted and be brought back to your home screen. You can log out by going to your Options menu located at the top right of your screen. On the Options menu, click Log Out. Confirm Log Out. And when ready, log in and explore Aspen iMobile all over again. Thank you so much for watching the Aspen iMobile Getting Started Now tutorial. To learn more about Aspen iMobile, please join our upcoming webinar covering the well-used Aspen iMobile functionality.